Imagine managing your customers, sales pipeline, marketing campaigns, and AI automation all from one dashboard, because that's exactly what Salesforce is trying to help businesses do in 2026. And today, I'm going to show you how to use Salesforce step by step and explain why it's still one of the biggest CRM platforms in the world. So first, what exactly is Salesforce? It's basically a cloud-based CRM system that helps businesses organize customer information, track sales, automate workflows, analyze performance, and improve communication with clients. Companies use it for everything from sales and marketing to customer support and business analytics. The first step is creating an account and choosing a Salesforce product like Sales Cloud, Service Cloud, or Marketing Cloud, depending on your needs. Once you log into the dashboard, you'll notice there's a lot happening on the screen because Salesforce is packed with features. But the main thing you want to focus on first is contacts and leads. This is where businesses store customer information, emails, phone numbers, company details, and sales activity. For example, if a new customer fills out a contact form on your website, Salesforce can automatically create a lead profile for that person inside your dashboard. From there, sales teams can track conversations, schedule follow-ups, and monitor deal progress. One feature I really like is the pipeline view because it visually shows where customers are in the sales process, from first contact all the way to closing a deal. Another powerful feature is automation because Salesforce allows businesses to automate repetitive tasks like email follow-ups, notifications, task assignments, and reminders. In 2026, the AI tools are also becoming a major focus. Salesforce Einstein AI can analyze customer data, generate recommendations, predict sales opportunities, and even help employees respond faster to customer requests. The new Agentforce AI system also adds more advanced automation and AI-driven workflows directly into the platform. Another reason businesses love Salesforce is integrations, because it connects with tools like Slack, Gmail, Outlook, Shopify, Google Workspace, and thousands of other apps. The analytics dashboard is also extremely detailed and allows businesses to create reports, track team performance, and monitor customer behavior in real time. But now let's talk honestly about the real user experience, because online reviews are definitely mixed in some areas. Many businesses absolutely love Salesforce because of how powerful and customizable it is. Large companies especially appreciate the automation, analytics, and scalability, but beginners often struggle at first because the platform can feel overwhelming with so many menus, settings, and features. Some users online say Salesforce almost requires training before you can use it efficiently. Pricing is another major complaint because costs can increase quickly once businesses add advanced features, AI tools, or multiple team members. Smaller businesses also sometimes feel simpler CRM tools are easier and cheaper to manage, so this definitely isn't one of those platforms you master in 10 minutes. But overall, Salesforce honestly still deserves its reputation as one of the strongest CRM and business management platforms available in 2026, especially for growing businesses that need advanced automation, customer tracking, reporting, and AI-powered workflows all in one place. It's powerful, scalable, and packed with features, but it also requires patience and learning to fully unlock its potential. If you want a serious CRM platform for managing customers and business operations, Salesforce is definitely worth testing for yourself. And if you've already used Salesforce, let me know your experience in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more honest software tutorials and AI reviews in 2026.